Texas's new abortion law goes into effect in 29 days. Currently, providers are no longer offering services in Texas. Next month, on August 25th, the state's trigger law takes effect. There will be only 3 exceptions a pregnancy can be terminated. This includes saving the life or preserving the health of an unborn baby, ending an ectopic pregnancy, removing a dead unborn child whose death was caused by a spontaneous abortion. Brittany Ford now details on how leaders in Houston will handle dealing with the new law.
Well, City of Houston leaders are set to meet sometime next week to discuss enforcement of the state's trigger law. The Women's Commission, who is spearheading the effort, is raising concerns that this could lead to a public health crisis. A letter sent by Attorney General Ken Paxton Wednesday lays out Texas's trigger law, also known as the Human Life Protection Act. Guidelines under the law will make nearly all abortions a state felony crime, with doctors facing up to $100,000 in fines for performing an abortion.
We are watching what's going on in Texas. We're looking at what every city is doing. We're thinking about what's possible.
Beth Metisoff Merfish is chair of the city's Women's Commission.
With the trigger laws going into effect, Houston will be the largest city in the country with no access to abortion services.
She says the commission is looking at several things, including maternal mortality rates and healthcare inequality, issues they believe will lead to a public health crisis. That paired with the fear of prosecution that will follow once the trigger law goes into effect.
But I can say that that we all on the Women's Commission would really love to see Harris County District Attorney Ogg make a statement similar to those made by DAs across the state, in which she pledges not to prosecute these cases.
The Harris County District Attorney's Office sent this statement saying, in part, prosecutors and police have no role in matters between doctors and patients, and that it will evaluate facts and make decisions on a case-by-case basis. Moving forward, Merfish says the city will be looking at ways it can provide some layer of protection.
Or in a city with the largest medical center in the world, that we will have people who are afraid to go to the hospital because they're afraid of being prosecuted or afraid that they won't be treated properly, is really terrifying.
The state's trigger law is set to go into effect August 25th. Reporting in Houston, Brittany Ford, KHOU 11 News.